What's going on YouTube? John Conrad here from Drone One Media, and I have some explaining to do. If you've been with the channel for a long time, you may have noticed there has been a severe lack of uploads lately, and if you're a new subscriber, for all of you that continue to subscribe, thank you and welcome to the Drone One Media family. I am planning on uploading more videos. My wife and I have been in a little bit of a transition period lately. We're actually building a house in Arizona, which is really exciting. We should be moving there probably around the end of May, early June timeframe. At that point, I will have a consistent place to record videos, but right now, I don't. And so it's been really hard to make videos for this channel. I'm currently at my in-laws' house in California making this video, but hang in there because soon I will have my own dedicated room where I can make YouTube videos on a regular basis. So like I said, we're really excited about our new home and we can't wait to show it to you. The whole process of building a house, it's been a lot. So we've been really working hard on that, and between that and my main job being extremely busy recently, which is a good thing. If I'm busy, that means sales are doing well, but it's just been a lot of... There's a jet. Hang on a second. So as I was saying, between building a house and my main job, I've been extremely busy. I have been flying my drone some, and I do have some really cool footage that I'm working up for Best of 2018. And if you haven't seen Best of 2017 yet, if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen that, I encourage you to go watch it. I'll have it in a card up here for you guys to check out. And it's already over 30,000 views, so thank you so much to everybody who has watched it. The response has been off the charts, and it's really exciting to see that because it took so many hours to produce that video, so I was really happy to see. And that being said, this is sort of a short video. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the status of the channel. I want to do more of these, and if there are any video ideas that you guys have, anything you would like to see in a future video from me, go ahead and leave a comment down in the description below. Let me know if there's a certain issue you've been having with your drone, if there's something that you're looking to solve. Maybe I can be of service, maybe I can make a video and help you guys out. It's all part of the community that I want to build here. And again, to all your new subscribers, thanks so much for joining the Drone One Media family. And we're up over 7,000 subscribers now, which is just mind-blowing. Thank you so much for all the support. Just hang in there. I know it's been rough, and I will get on a regular schedule where I'm uploading again on a regular basis. But yeah, it's just like I said, it's a bit of a transition period right now. But anyway, hope this update video was helpful. Hope I answered any of your questions. If you have any additional questions for me, let me know down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.